Welcome to Math with Mr. J. In this video, I'm going to cover how to name polygons. And remember, a polygon is a shape that is flat, closed, and has straight sides. Now, polygons are named by the number of sides they have. And in this video, we will cover the names of polygons from 3 sides to 8 sides. And I think you'll be familiar with some of these names already, especially the first one here, which we will jump into right now. So let's start with what we call a polygon that has 3 sides. And here are 2 examples. A polygon with 3 sides is called a triangle. Now, there are 2 triangles here. The top triangle, that's yellow, is a regular polygon, a regular triangle. The green triangle below is an irregular polygon, an irregular triangle. So when we hear regular or irregular, a regular polygon means all of the sides are the same length and all of the angles are the same measure. An irregular polygon is a polygon that does not have all sides the same length and all angles the same measure. We'll look at an example of both for each kind of polygon we go through. Let's move on to 4-sided polygons and take a look at a couple of examples. So, any idea what we call a 4-sided polygon? Well, a quadrilateral. Now, you may have thought square, which is a type of quadrilateral. It's a specific quadrilateral. Think, is everything with 4 sides a square? No. So quadrilateral includes all polygons with 4 sides, including squares. Now we have a square there for our regular quadrilateral. All of the sides are the same length and angles are the same measure. Then we have a rectangle for our irregular quadrilateral. All of the angles are the same, 90 degrees, but not all of the sides are the same length, so that is irregular. Let's move on to 5-sided polygons and take a look at our examples. Any idea what a 5-sided polygon is called? If you thought pentagon, you are correct. And there is a regular and irregular pentagon there. Let's move on to 6 sides through 8 sides. Moving on to 6-sided polygons now, let's take a look at a couple of examples. Any idea what we call a 6-sided polygon? Well, a hexagon. So there is a regular and an irregular hexagon there. Now, a good way to remember 6 sides and hexagon match the x's. 6 has an x, and so does hexagon. Let's move on to 7 sides. A 7-sided polygon is called a heptagon. Now, our irregular example here is an interesting one, that arrow. But if you count the sides, you see we have a polygon with 7 sides. Now, I do want to mention, you may also hear septagon for a 7-sided polygon. So both heptagon and septagon mean a 7-sided polygon. Lastly, we have 8 sides. Any idea what an 8-sided polygon is called? Think of an animal that has 8 arms. Well, an 8-sided polygon is called an octagon. And the animal with 8 arms that can help us remember this is an octopus. So there you have it. There are the names of polygons, 3 sides through 8 sides. I hope that helped. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, peace.